Making amends, a step towards reconciliation. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very important phrase in the English language. Let's make amends. This phrase is powerful, filled with the promise of reconciliation and understanding. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, understanding the depth of this expression can significantly improve your communication skills. So, let's explore what it means to make amends and how you can use this phrase in your daily interactions. The phrase, "let's make amends," is a call to repair a relationship after a conflict or misunderstanding. To make amends means to take actions that show you are sorry for a mistake or harm done and want to improve the situation. It's about acknowledging wrongs and actively seeking to correct them. This phrase is commonly used in personal relationships but is also applicable in professional contexts or among acquaintances. It signifies a willingness to move past differences and work towards a positive future. Making amends is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it helps in healing relationships by showing remorse and a desire to make things right. It's a step towards rebuilding trust and understanding between parties. Secondly, it contributes to personal growth. Recognizing our mistakes and taking responsibility for them teaches us humility and empathy. It's a way to learn from our actions and become better communicators and friends. Lastly, making amends can create a more positive and supportive environment. It encourages open communication and forgiveness, essential elements for any healthy relationship. Making amends goes beyond just saying, "I'm sorry." It involves genuine actions and changes in behavior. Here are some steps to effectively make amends. 1. Acknowledge the mistake. Clearly state what you did wrong and express understanding of its impact. 2. Express remorse. Show sincere regret for your actions and the hurt they caused. 3. Offer a solution or reparation. Suggest ways to make up for the mistake. This could be through actions, support, or making changes to prevent future issues. 4. Seek forgiveness. Ask the other person for forgiveness, but understand that they may need time to heal. 5. Commit to change. Demonstrate through your actions that you are committed to not repeating the same mistake. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and importance of the phrase, "let's make amends." Making amends is not always easy, but it's a powerful step towards reconciliation and building stronger, more understanding relationships. Remember, it's about more than just words. It's about actions and genuine intentions. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more language learning tips. Until next time, keep practicing and using your English in meaningful ways.